What's that, Bianca?
Oh, what's on my face?
Booger.
Is that? Can you get it? I'm serious.
Booger.
Joshua James, are you there?
Hello? Are you
Like
watching
and
this?
subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to my channel. This is Joshua James, Californian Redwood Forrest edition of.
Why will you use my water bottle?
I'm really bad at this. That's your crowd.
Sometimes I think too much.
What is up, y'all? It's your boy James, back at it again, another video. This time we're doing a bit of a road trip today, a bit of a day trip. What is up, y'all? This is Michael Neri. Yeah, right, cool. Hello, Dennis.
Good morning to Joshua James.
Hey. It's your boy Joshua James. We're out here with the Goose fam. Heading on our road trip real quick.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog.
Last night you were like fools. Hello, face of Zara. Just get my food first, bro. What do you bring the soju for? 11 AM drinks, guys. What's the Masoga? How you feeling, bro?
Hello, I'm staying safe.
Yeah, don't forget to wear your masks, alright, when you're out and about. Clearly. Hi, say hi. What are we doing today, Helen? What are we doing?
Spend some time with the family. Because as you all heard in his last vlog, if you're friends, the family. Is that right? I don't know. Welcome to the family.
Welcome to the family. So this is the Goose fam. We've been knowing each other for a long time now. The face of plumbing supplies, Laverton. Give us a look, mate. What's going on? What's going on? We've got the Narcissa of the family. Narcissa?
Hi.
Hey.
What's going on?
Let's go. Film photographer. Don't walk so fast.
What are you talking about?
You talk, what was that? We get real close, guys. We've got the lawyer and the architect. Look at these guys. You've seen Bianca in my recent vlogs, guys.
I'm gonna be in every vlog.
I'm Michael. 1.5, bro. Seriously, now I've got sanitized.
What is up, y'all? It's your boy Joshua James. We're out here at Torquay, our first pit stop on our road trip for the day. What is up, y'all? So we're out here at Lorne, our second pit stop. There's a lot of poop on the ground from all the parrots. And we're about an hour and a half away from our final destination, which is the Redwoods up in Otways. Oh, give the bird a kiss. Give the bro, you got some friends.
No coming to you. Hey mate, what's your name? Hello. Oi, subscribe to Joshua James Vlogs. Oi, oi, oi.
So we're supposed to be on our way to our next destination, but we're getting ambushed right now from like all these cocktails. Look at them. 1, 2, there's 5.
I'll feed him.
Don't you dare feed it. Oh, I see, feed it. Oh, let's go right next to him. Wait, go right next to him. Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6 on top.
You look good there. Oh, sorry, Mez. Redwood Forrest. Redwood? Californian Redwoods. Sequoia. Some of Byron.
Kobe.
Yeah. That's my theme song. Look at this girl.
She's happy. Look how key she is.
Hey guys, we're at the great outback of SKANDR. We're in the great Otways.
The time and the place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. Going insane. Got a problem to fix, can we face it tonight? Face it tonight, oh. No way though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way though. You never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight.
What is up, y'all? So currently on the way back to the car park. We just finished up at Hopetoun Falls. It's really nice, it's very pretty, very, very pretty.
You're not there, no. No way though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way though. You never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight. Baby, you're worth the fight. Baby, you're worth the fight.
What? No blink challenge.
No stopping. Okay,
My arm Why is this all this anger? Why is this all this anger?
Stress, how do I be like him, man?
Just be yourself.
This is Mark Louis Films. Check out his recent video.
I was broken when you knew it.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Joshua James Vlog. Hope you're ready for some quality content. We're here tonight for Joshua James' first time at Baby Chicken. Enjoy.
Gee, food already ordered? So hungry. How you feeling about this
I want to headbutt the wall.
service right now? This one's not that. Oh, every time you vlog me, I look
Me?
Yeah, dude. I'm actually to everyone.
subscribe down below. Oh, for a discount code for today is honey. Discount on all Joshua James merch.
Cheers to family. Cheers to friends. Where did you go?
Salty? Why are you so salty? I'm jealous. Salut a minha família.
I love you, Rose. Okay. We're gonna get in trouble so much.
Like and subscribe. If you're still here, what are you doing?
Like and subscribe.
You heard it here first, guys. Everyone said like and subscribe. Follow them and I'll follow you. Let's get it done. Joshua James family.